Good morning, children. This is another EVS class. Last class, what we discussed, children, I gave the allotment of the notebooks also, and we started new semester 1 this year's course also. So this is the semester 1 book, lesson number 1 I have started. In EVS, two parts are there, I told you last class. One is science part, one is social studies part. So we started science part, lesson number 1, that only will continue today. Last class I just explained the chapter. So whenever you see it, you always open the book. I'll mention the page number, semester 1 book. Like that you open the book, it will be easy for you. So what we discussed, that whatever things we see surrounding, it can be man-made, it can be natural. Man-made means table, chair, your door, window. So those are all man-made things. And all man-made things are non-living things. In nature, natural things, what you see, whatever already in the nature, like sun, moon, river, mountain, rocks, tree, birds, animal, we human being, we are all natural things. In natural thing, it can be non-living, it can be living thing. Non-living means sun, moon, then rocks, then river. Those are all natural but non-living. We are natural but living thing, like any animal, bird, plants, trees. And how you know what is living, what is non-living? We can see some speciality in some things. Like if they can move, they can breathe, they eat, they reproduce, or they remove waste from their body, they respond to feelings. Those are all living things criteria. And in all chapter, no children, see, reading is very important. Every day you try to read 1 page or 2 pages, and end of all chapter, no, you will find out one box. That is, let's recall. It is on page number 187. You open, me see, recall. So this paragraph at least you read 3-4 times. Recall. So this is summary of the lesson. So make it a habit. Each lesson you read this at least. So I'll read for you. You keep your finger and read with me. See, this is recall. One sentence. You keep your finger and read. Okay, ready? So open the book and read with me. You are surrounded by living and non-living things. How I am reading? Keep the book and you read like this. You are surrounded by living and non-living things. Things made by people are called man-made things. All man-made things are non-living things. Things created in nature are called natural things. Natural things may be living or non-living. All living things eat, breathe, move, they grow, they feel and reproduce. Non-living things do not eat, breathe, move, grow, feel and it's the opposite only. So this much is the full chapter summary. Okay, now question answer you will get in the PDF, that afterwards I'll tell you. Now the exercise you have to do with me, children. I'll write on the board. You keep your book, I'll mention the page number along with the class only. You don't keep it pending. So exercise you have to do with me only. Take one pencil and do with me. So it is on page number 187. So this one I'm doing. First main is about question answer. That afterwards you will get in the PDF. You copy. Now second main. This is second main. Second main I'm doing now. See, they mention natural or man-made. So few pictures they have given. Only you have to match. So first picture is a house. House is man-made. So slowly you match here. House is man-made. So match here. Then you say fish. It is natural. God made. This is rock. It is natural. Match. Then one car picture is there. You match with man-made. Sun is natural. So slowly you write match with this. Sun is natural. Then tree also natural. Neatly you do, children. Then dog also natural. Cycle man-made. Cycle man-made. Okay, one more time shall I tell? So this is natural. 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 So fish natural. Rock natural. Sun natural. Tree natural. Dog natural. Remaining all man-made. Here house and cycle and car. Three things are man-made. So only this much you match in your textbook. Finish now. Next, third main you see children, what is there? That is MCQ, means multiple choice question. Means all question you have three options. Full thing I am not writing. You have book, means you have to read from there and write the answer in your book. See here. So it is on page number 188. Page number 188 I mentioned. This is third main. Main I am mentioning, page number I am mentioning, it will be easy for you. So third main, page number 188. Multiple choice question. MCQ means multiple choice question. One question, three options are there. What is the correct option? You have to tick and you have to write in the bracket. That's all. So what is the question here? A chick grows into a hen. So B option you see on hen picture is there. B option you tick and write B in the bracket. For one you write B and tick B. That's all. So number 2, what is the question? Gills. I told you only fish, they have gills to breathe. That is a breathing organ for them. So gills help this to breathe. So three pictures are there. Number A is fish. That one you tick and write in the bracket. Understanding children? Page number 188, semester 1 book. Third main I am doing now. MCQ means multiple choice question. Only you have to choose here and you have to write the option here. That's all. Number 3. Stomata where you can find out, it is in a leaf. So through stomata, plants they breathe. So number C option. Number 3, C option you tick and you write 3 here. Next 4 and 5 I am writing here. 4 and 5 I am writing here. The page number 188. Page 188 I am doing now. Number 4, what is the question? A plant grows from a seed. So B option you see. A, B and C. B option you take and write within the bracket B. Number 5 is, this is a natural thing. Sun, car and doll. What is a natural thing? A option. A option is sun. Within the bracket you write A. That's all. Next, mark tick or cross. So this much over. Tick or cross. Tick or cross. Like true or false you do know that only. Number 4th main now, page number 188. So I will write only the number here and answer I will write here. You see the number and write the answer. How many are there? 5 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So we get energy from food. We get energy from food. This is correct. So first one you put one tick here. Okay. A bicycle can move on its own. No. Until you paddle it won't move. So bicycle cannot move on its own. So sentence, can move on its own? No. So cross. Number 3. Snakes do not have feet. Yes, they don't have feet. They crawl on their belly. Snakes do not have feet. So tick. Plants make food in fruits? No, they make food in leaves. So that is wrong. A bud opens to become a flower. Yes, first it was very small one, it will be closed one. That is called bud. Afterwards it will blossom like a flower. It is correct. So first one, tick, then cross, tick, cross, tick. Next see, some pictures are there that is not matching actually. See, one kitten is coming out from a egg. So you have to write one sentence why it is wrong, like that. Okay. So I am writing, you will see. You write. The 5th main you see. So it's very small sentence. Dash is there. You write up and down. You write chick, not kitten. Chick comes from egg. Chick. So what is wrong? That only you have to write. Chick comes out. Chick comes from Egg. Not kitten. Not kitten. Understood, children? Picture is wrong. You have to write one sentence referring that. So here, picture one, kitten is coming out from the egg. From egg what comes? Chick comes, not kitten. Next one, you see, one dog is flying. Can a dog fly? No. So you write. Second one you write, second picture you write. You write up and down because this dash is very small, space is very small. So, birds fly. You write birds fly, not dogs. Birds fly, not dogs. Third one, you write. See, sun is drinking Coca-Cola. See, sun is a natural but non-living thing. Does not drink. So, sun is non-living thing. Sun is a non-living thing. So, it won't drink. Non-living thing, comma, does not drink. Does not drink. It won't drink. Eat and drink, only living things they do. Next you see one tree is running. That is not possible. Page number 189 I am writing now. Just continue children. Next page only. Another 3 pictures are there. For this you write. Trees don't move. Do not move. Do not move. You just from place to place. From place to place. This is a very long this one. Try to adjust in the small space only. Up and down you write. Next one, fish. One fish is flying. Can one fish fly? No. You write fish swim. Fish swim. Not fly. Not fly. Third picture, one monkey is swimming. So, you write monkey lives on land, not in water. Monkey lives on land, not on water, not in water. That you can write. So, okay, right. So this one finished, or next main I'll go. Right, L for living and NL for non-living. So this one I'm finished. L for living, NL for non-living. Now see all the pictures I cannot draw. I'll just draw the box. This is 6th main. Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 is there. Then one table is there. Sun is there. One car is there. Down water. Dog. And one rock is there. Okay, so see here. So picture name I will just write book. Picture is there. It is non-living. You write within the bracket NL. Okay, book. That bracket you write NL. NL means what? Non-living. Then one doll is there. You see one doll. You write NL. Next, fish. One fish is there. That is living. You write only L. Next tree is there. Tree picture is there. You write L. It is living. Next, table. Table is there. You write N. L. Sun. You write N. L. Non-living. Sun is non-living. Although it is natural. Sun is non-living. Then car. Car is non-living. Then water. Some water picture is there. See, water. Water is also non-living. Next one, dog. Dog is living. Rock. Some rock is there, you see, stone, that is non-living. So let me check once again. See here. Few pictures are there. You have to see. If it is non-living, you have to write NL. If it is living, you have to write L. So book, non-living. Doll, non-living. Fish, living. Tree, living. Table, non-living. Sun, non-living. Car, non-living. Rock, non-living. Dog, living. Water, non-living. Write it down. One more is there. I'll do now. Okay, next we have one fun activity, children, to help you. See, I have written here. So all the letters no need. What they told, no, in this grid chart, you have some living things name and non-living things name. And you have to find out and you have to circle it. So, like that same book, how it is, I have drawn. This is on page number 189. It is the last activity for this chapter. Now see, same box I have drawn, see. So first line you see 2 box you leave. 2 box you leave. Then you will get S-T-O-N-E. You will get stone, one non-living thing. Did you get, children? So this table is there in your book. First line 2 box you leave. Then you can see, find out S-T-O-N-E. This one you circle. You will get one non-living thing. Okay. Next, wherever second what is there? No, second box is there. Just down you see D-O-G. What it is? D-O-G. Up to here you will get one living thing. See, second box down 1, 2, 3 you take. You will get D-O-G. Dog you will get. One living thing you got. Next is S is there, no? From there you see S-N-A-K-E. You will get one more living thing. Neatly you do, children. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Next, down G you see H. You take H-E-N. You will get hen. So neatly you do. With pencil you do. H-E-N, hen. You got one more. Now come here. S-T-O-N-E is there, no? Just down N, you leave one box and you take the third one, T. N after you leave one box, like T. T from your T you take T-R-E-E. You will get tree. You will get tree. Easy, no? So, beside T you see W is there. From there you take down W-A-T-E-R. You will get one more word, W-A-T-E-R, water. After beside W, you take from here D-O-L-L, doll. D-O-L-L, doll. Next one. Now come this side. Hen you wrote, no? Hen down you see. R-O-C-K, raw. R-O-C-K, raw. You will get. After O you see, down O you see F-I-S-H, fish. One more word you will get. F-I-S-H, fish you will get. Okay, understood? So in that, other letters no need. So from there only you have to find out. So those things I didn't write, you just find out like this. Only this much you circle. You will get so many living thing and non-living. That is the activity about. Okay. So we finished one chapter. Lesson number 1 from science, living and non-living. We explained the chapter and exercise we have done. Every day you try to read one page. Try to read. Reading is important. So this much. This will be on the board only. You copy. So today up to here only. Thank you, children. Have a good day.